If you're serious about demolition, remodeling, or just need a tool that cuts through anything, a high-quality reciprocating saw is essential. Let's break down the best reciprocating saws available now. We start with the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Sawzall, a cordless monster built for tough jobs. Milwaukee's Power State brushless motor delivers consistent power, speed, and efficiency. With a 1 1/8 inch stroke length and speeds up to 3,000 SPM, it cuts through wood, metal, and plastic with ease. RedLink Plus Intelligence ensures overload protection and optimized performance, especially during extended use. What truly makes it shine is its runtime and durability. You can expect up to 2 times more cuts per charge compared to standard cordless saws. The battery is long-lasting, the blade change is tool-free, and the grip is well-designed for comfort during long workdays. Whether you're a contractor or a serious DIYer, this is a cordless saw that rivals corded performance without tying you down. Next, we have the DeWalt MAX Reciprocating Saw, one of the most powerful and refined tools in DeWalt's lineup. With a brushless motor, it reaches the same 3,000 SPM mark and features a 1 1/8 inch stroke length. The pivoting shoe, keyless blade changes, and LED light make it highly user-friendly. Where this saw stands out is its balance and ergonomics. It feels natural in the hand, reduces fatigue, and performs precise cuts even in awkward spaces. Users appreciate how quiet it runs relative to its power, and the fact that it's part of DeWalt's extensive 20-volt Max ecosystem. It's a perfect pick for users already invested in DeWalt tools, or those looking for a workhorse that balances speed, control, and dependability. For those who prefer corded reliability, the Bosch Reciprocating Saw is a solid option. With its high power-to-weight ratio, it delivers heavy-duty cutting power without the bulk. The 14-amp motor is capable of 2,900 strokes per minute with a 1 1/8 inch stroke length. One of the best features is its advanced vibration control, which reduces user fatigue and gives it a smoother feel during operation. This saw is excellent for continuous use, making it ideal for jobs that require prolonged cutting. It also has a tool-less blade change system and variable speed trigger, offering precise control for different materials. If you don't want to worry about charging batteries and need a rugged corded tool that just keeps going, Bosch's RS428 delivers. Now let's look at a compact powerhouse, the Makita Subcompact Reciprocating Saw. This is a subcompact model measuring only 12.5 inches long and weighing under 6 pounds with a battery. Don't let the size fool you. It runs up to 3,000 SPM with a 13/16 inch stroke, and its brushless motor ensures high efficiency and extended tool life. This model is perfect for working in tight areas, overhead tasks, or when portability is a must. The ergonomics are exceptional, and it comes with a reinforced shoe and electric brake for added safety. This saw is ideal for electricians, plumbers, and HVAC pros who need to make quick cuts without carrying a full-size tool. Finally, we have the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Hackzall, which is the best one-handed reciprocating saw in its class. It's built for speed, precision, and convenience, with a 7/8 inch stroke and 3,000 SPM speed. The compact, lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces or make overhead cuts. It also uses Milwaukee's brushless motor and RedLink Plus technology to ensure efficient performance and protection. This saw is especially handy for those quick cuts during installations or demo work in awkward spots. It's a favorite among plumbers and maintenance professionals who need fast, one-handed control without compromising power.